Adhueng Machar chijanel kayom di chemonjang yen ke mondia nyane ching yen ka dong nyane ching le turin chabe kon wan hale turin chabe kon yang we wedel chol Machar petreruru yen ke lo ide jing yen ke wing de monjang ya tau gal ko abandia yen ke lo ine ruri Adhueng dit Chab kon wan baba dui dear.
Randa in Jammu kun chalor ne kam tiyo kene music industry pan Junub Sudan tau ten loren bra lo kuludich in chol Queen of Voice Adhueng Machar chi janel ekidi de koj guy. And of course, right now we will not talk much. The big performance of Bralo on Friday. I'm here with Queen of Voice. I'm here with Queen of Afrobeats. I'm here with the lady with golden voice. And I'm here with Maud Chol. I'm here with Magai Lok and Arizona JJ. And of course, this is the full playlist that can take you 10 years without downloading any song again. Queen of Voice in Chaloro Pay. Modbai kulego kichinyu kanyiro kachku wamatku. What's happening?
Thank you.
Yeah.
We koi dai we chakeng mod. We koi dai we chakeng mod. Ketuenge mierpio jinayen. Chan chinyira kaikia kuja wata kaikia in music industry. Chan chika ben be koi kene yan yetar loyan kedia. Ken ale belwel we chakeng lej wadia. My beautiful ladies kuja Adhueng Machar kamonjang. Nearly can wake. Weta kaka wunchaka ping ba jaben bere chala penke weta benakaken.
All right, thank you so much, Queen of Voice, man. Ogato at the Nile, and at the Nile here we have lots of visitors that wanted to enjoy these concerts, and of course you can see on the camera. Abugu Jarwan Bugyoki Queen of Afrobeat. Choi Dengajing.
Kuga Chakamoda Pedida. So my country ping there Tuna Thomas, Kutuna my sister Queen of Voice. Elor below on Friday, 24th, pyramid. So on Friday, we were Timothy Jaisin, and we are on standby waiting for that special day. But I will inform that without work, Kachin music died, which in Kalabolo encourage that. So we call Bran with them and the Binyai that day, Shanaban. Kubuka my sister Queen of Voice Bubalo support ene keteo tukena we cholo ke so lo jaso kubaka buglar bubadir o kaban ban jana koy koke ka gatingten abutoten within that time and bika barnam bike otherwise ababan yek my other sister shan bukadang bukatinda ben matin but still tonkan buglu repeat lo nada we ga yu kege chan bag ben ba balo support the nyiri jeng nada ran we bede di tabana war kigwa la air man kabag bala ping that day Adhueng Machar ko Adhueng nyen jeng Adhueng kamane competition too high if I did because they jeng and tell kunyal tawale.
Okay, thank you. Chuyog Luvela.
Thank you so much. Good evening to everyone. My beautiful sisters have said it exactly what's going to happen on that day. And I'm very, very happy to be with them. Adhueng Machar, Chile alone Adhueng Machar, lakin Adhueng Machar on our right hand, and they will be there. The song is about them. Nera nunti betiache Makorou kabe wagden koi milere we have achieved. Otherwise, it's going to be a beautiful night, and we are requesting you to let's all meet up. It's going to be a very, very wonderful and beautiful night because our queens will be there, Queen of Voice and Queen of Afrobeats. Then Yan connected by Lavalavella will be there. So it's been forever since I shared a stage again with Adhueng. And it's going to be a beautiful night, to be very honest. And our sister, and I've never shared a stage with her. So this is a privilege to me, and I'll always say it. So to our dearest fans, let's come and support our beautiful sister. And she's a queen of voice. And you will, just by looking at her, you can tell she is really a queen of voice. So let's come and have fun. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, Lavella. Now we give it up to gentleman there. That is Maud Chol, Nyanbor Chit Marial.
Yeah,
Nyalawai.
we chakamod we koi die. Bio husband. Can I take a very important thing? One mer one nyan kaida Juba. Na bijala past time machan be kecil kan be loy wer bang. Ani jam gulo la we ko ju ito be. Akor ba lo ita na been a big number. Back work ben support it. Cuman lo work and support. Without you guys kecil tuang lento. Wa kwan yu ke ku ba ke ping. Kuna cha ke ping cha pio mier ke ko ka yu ke ba dia ke lo ke. So we need your support back then. Cool pa nin ter wan ne cool bi ti agaret. Wanong diar ji dir ba ke ping nong din ji din cha yu ko to cha pi lo ba da ba ben jal ping ya. Kene ya lo la yen is support don ko ko. Work we are ready to support our sister. Ngai chen we working with her na. We ko ko kin ben. Aba ben because ko la te ku man kai da ko bu ko support kene ne ke ba le we ready and we are fully ready to support her.
You are fully ready for the pay. Now let's give it up to Magai. Look.
Hey, no kwek chamo do ka ju video kan la yok. I think anong ka jwa chi jam wa de kan ni ko jam cho nyu tan today e kan yo ma jama Friday. Na yok le wek. A chan bran ben ran do hele kuran en video kan la yok or ran cheping ran chatting ka jlo force. But on Friday pyramid en bin ka loren bin lo ten ko lo ku ben e bu nyan ka da bu support Queen of Boys. Na ye yo ma jama before kan ka lor kan ye dier wala yom khamis ko le bukla halik long tin boga video te buka loy kwa bi kai ko ka bi ke yok so ale bule we ko le on Friday tenaran ken wo table au ba table do ba yok man before time ne ko le bule we ka kan thank you.
All right, Arizona JJ.
Hey, no pia we koi bela dai, we chu college. So tenangan I think an cheering a stage kan koi jwe ke ku ka ni area dang ba cheering stage kan koi kok ken wo ke stage kon rom. Ku buku be lo confirmation chan bu koi wen to post stage ku koi chi ke lwel kan nang bu ke lo ko la ba ke ting ke chi nyu ji tok chi man chi ke nyu je. So we koi dai ku we koi bi ken lo goi. So we ya ke chol baka ben baka ngi mana de yen panani na ko chmat ke ga re tok so na ja ko ting wan post ai ke ko ke dia ke ka chi nyu jitene ko ke ka bu we la lo entertain ye ko la so back with dia ran kin tikin de lom ke doi lom ku wo ku available bu lo re we ke tok so thank you so much achin ke di we le chan bi rana lo confirm mana de number to we ko la so number to thank you.
Jam don achamir pe oret nyira ka ke uja wa ramat kia okay adang before kenan gol unan ko kero liu Mark boy kujia Johnson jok koi ke aba ben aba ta wok lakini anan kichika be dam we men enen ka liu ke ayen wedi na kar una na ken jam le balwel ka we pan chol Juba etiran to pinja Kenya ko Uganda kuneng pio buku ken buku celebrate tok because we know loni chen dit ichela nyal ni targon na te ipio ka buku lo tok ka yini a chol norul dia urul fananin kaka fananin rer kan yen ka dia ai fananin ner jinobin ke ku ka ner ka dier ken choku kul ya kul tikich victory ken loiku batautin biya loyel kon chloy pani chol permit hotel and it ukabia one of the biggest show been koiga permit hajam gule kanen kichelo on nietare because of what because of my brothers and sisters nyali kina wig
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Queen of Voice. Randai, a chatting music industry pan of Sudan in Kichamat Kenya. Kidi Chol Arizona JJ Magailok Mahurchol, Aluel Vela, Queen of Afrobeat, the Choi Dinga Jing, Kujala Kidi the Chol Queen of Voice, Ogabin Korom Pyramid on Friday. By the way, don't forget, Pyramid is the best hotel in Juba, and you need to be part of this hotel. Come and see our beautiful singers and handsome singers. And above all, this concert is for you and your loved ones. Don't miss it. Thank you so much.